Introduction. This document discusses foundational aspects of legal identity, estate management, and sovereign rights, focusing on concepts such as birth certificates, land titles, and the importance of asserting one's status in legal and administrative systems. 1. The birth certificate as a land title. The birth certificate serves as a land title, symbolizing your entry into a nation's legal and economic system. It establishes your existence within a jurisdiction and is a foundational document in legal proceedings. The state uses this document as collateral unless it is confirmed by you as the rightful owner. Confirming your ownership involves filing with county and state registrars, ensuring the document reflects your living status. This act transforms the birth certificate from a conditional title, which the state can leverage, into a secured personal asset. 2. Importance of written confirmation. To reclaim control over your birth certificate, you must submit written and sealed confirmation. This process includes adding your signature, embossed seal, and possibly fingerprints. By doing so, you declare yourself as the living individual tied to the document, preventing its misuse by third parties. 3. Filing with vital records offices. The confirmation process requires submitting your documents to county vital records offices, state registrars, ensuring proper entry into state and national systems. If applicable, baptismal records can also be confirmed and submitted to relevant church offices, such as the Church of Rome. 4. The role of names and titles. Names on documents often appear in different formats, e.g., all capital letters for legal entities. To assert your natural personhood, confirm your name as it appears on your land title or baptismal certificate. This step aligns your legal identity with your living status, safeguarding your rights and assets. 5. Registering land titles. Your birth certificate acts as a placeholder for your land title. By filing it appropriately, you claim your inheritance and remove the state's ability to use it as collateral. This involves identifying the records book and page number, submitting a notarized memorandum to the appropriate registrar. 6. Sovereign rights and responsibilities. Claiming your birth certificate establishes your sovereignty. This sovereignty enables you to operate outside certain state controls while obligating you to act responsibly. Filing these documents asserts your independence within the legal system. 7. Understanding legal fiction. The legal system often operates on fictions, such as the all-capitalized name. These constructs allow courts to claim jurisdiction over entities rather than living individuals. Declaring yourself as the living person prevents courts from misapplying laws meant for fictitious entities. 8. Addressing errors in public records. If your records contain inaccuracies, contact the issuing authority immediately. Submit corrected forms and supporting documents to ensure accuracy. Errors can lead to disputes over identity and property rights. 9. Estate and trust management. Your estate encompasses all assets linked to your identity. By confirming your status, you manage these assets through trust accounts, e.g., foreign grantor trusts. Filing proper tax forms, e.g., 1041. Maintaining detailed records. 10. The role of confirmation and legal actions. Confirmation not only secures your birth certificate but also strengthens your position in legal disputes. Courts require proof of identity and ownership before adjudicating claims. Filing appropriate documents ensures your rights are recognized. 11. Navigating international birth records. If born outside the U.S., you may need to file additional documents to integrate your foreign birth records into the domestic system. Contact the State Department or the local court where naturalization occurred to obtain necessary records. 12. Protecting your identity. Protect your identity by backing up all documents digitally, using encrypted storage for sensitive information, regularly reviewing public records for inaccuracies. 13. Leveraging knowledge for sovereignty. Understanding your rights and responsibilities empowers you to navigate complex legal systems. Acting decisively and responsibly ensures your sovereignty is respected while preventing misuse of your assets. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, we neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.